Now we are going to do the experiment number 6. Synthesis of magnetic nanoparticles and simulating the effect of physiological factors and the heating behaviors under AC magnetic field. First, take 250 milliliter of DI water to this glass beaker. Then I am going to purge the nitrogen gas and heat the DI water to 80 centigrade. This is the nitrogen bottle, and use the wrench to open the nitrogen gas bottle. Add the nitrogen gas very slowly. Open the regulator. You should do it very slowly. Then place the thermometer inside of the DI water and turn on the heater. You have to maintain the temperature around 80 to 90 centigrade. When you purge the nitrogen, first take the wrench and open the gas bottle slowly. Then open the valve clockwise slowly. This pressure gauge shows the pressure of nitrogen bottle, and this pressure gauge shows the pressure of the nitrogen gas which come out of the nitrogen bottle. After 10 minutes, I am going to turn off the nitrogen purge. First, close this valve and use the wrench to close the nitrogen bottle. And check the temperature of the DI water. Now it is around 85 centigrade. Then you have to measure 4 chemical substances. Here you can see the ferric chloride. You have to measure 1.52 gram of ferric chloride and add them into the 100 milliliter beaker. Here you can see the ferrous chloride 0.56 gram and lauric acid 0.03125 grams, and here you can see the sodium hydroxide 1.1 gram. Now I am going to add the 50 milliliter of heated DI water for every 100 milliliter beaker and dissolve them. Now I have dissolved all the substances with the centigrade 8 DI water. Now all are dissolved. After that, now I am going to add the lauric acid and sodium hydroxide solution to the 100 milliliter beaker. Then I am going to stir it. You have to do it more carefully. Don't touch the styre in the bottom of the beaker. Just touch the solution. Then lock the styre. And place the thermometer more carefully. Don't touch the thermometer to the styre. Now I am going to turn on the styre. And set the RPM value to 250. Then add 2 iron salts. You can see the solution become dark brown color. Then use aluminium foils to cover the neck. Do the reaction for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, stop the styre. Then turn off the heater. Then keep the beaker for cool down. Now use a strong magnet to deposit the nanoparticles. After that, you have to remove the supernatant. keep the magnet carefully and remove the supernatant. Then you have to wash the sedimented nanoparticles with acetone and DI water several times. First, I will use some DI water to wash the nanoparticles. After that, I will use some acetone to clean the sedimented nanoparticle. You have to do this cleaning process for several times. After that, place the sedimented nanoparticles at oven at 50 centigrade to dry out. Take 12.5 milligram of the nanoparticle and add 1 milliliter of the DI water. Now I am going to ultrasonicate the centrifuge tube. Now place the sample valve on the sonicator and sonicate it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stop the sonicator and take the sample out. Then observe the particle motion with the strong magnet. You can see the particles are motion with the strong magnet. Then repeat these steps for glycerol, glucose, sodium chloride and mixture of them according to your procedure. Now we are going to do the effect of simulated physiological factors on the heating capacity of magnetic nanoparticles. First, I am going to turn on the chiller of the magnetic generator. First, turn on the breaker. Then push the power button. Then you have to wait for 3 minutes before you turn on the magnetic generator. Now I am going to turn on the magnetic generator. First, turn on the switch. Here you can see the current value. To adjust this, first you have to push the paddle. Then you can adjust the current using this one. Now I am adjusted it to the 20 ampere. Now I am going to place the centrifuge tube with the nanoparticle sample to the magnetic generator. Then place the thermometer inside it and press the paddle. When the times go on, you can see the temperature is increasing. You have to record the temperature in every 30 seconds. After your experiment, when you are going to turn off the magnetic generator, you can turn off this one using this switch. Then turn off the chiller. Remember, first turn off the magnetic generator and then chiller. Now I am going to turn off the chiller. You have to press it and hold for 2 seconds. Then turn off the breaker.